What's up mga kabisikan? Karong adlaw na ako'y video nga gamay nga muratag unsay istorya ni o pakno bata. Hinaot nga malingaw mo usa isip po ni nga mutabang kaninyo kung isaon pagpadaghan og subscriber. Tara! Kad gamay ra kaayo og subscriber ngano man ni mao ra gamay imong subscriber kay di man kakama o
sakto gid ka dong kay di man kakama dong
ay di naman angay kabalakan kay naalam ko'y nakita nga application nga mag-promote sa akong channel. Welcome to channel promoter, guys. Ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano at anong gagawin para magkaroon ng maraming subscriber. Kaya, kung bago ka sa akong channel, palihog ko subscribe, like, and share, please. Bisag, maot pa niya akong content. Maluoy mo. Oh, God. Kaya bang maluoy yun, di ba? Kanang isag mulike na lang gud dun, sa mulike na lang og kanang gamay o inyo lang di mo gusto bahala na basta kayo subscribe lang ha. Kay moabot ra ang panahon nga ato ning pagalambugan ng itong channel aron makita ninyo nga bisan raging ani nga tao naapay mga pangandoy. Salamat. Basta ako na ako'y nagitan nga application makuha ra nimo sa Play Store kanang ginganan og channel promoter kung tinuod ba gyud ni ato ning obserbaran. Ako lang ibutang sa screen karon.
How does the app work? Attention, the app does not add or remove subs from the channel. It only helps to promote the app to more people. The app is like a community who sign up can add your channel for the app to promote to the other user. You can find other channels registered in the app according to your interests and subscribe to the ones you like. Thus, it network of people where each one can help another good on YouTube. Nagbabasakali lang tayo, guys. Why I'm not earning subscribers? The app was made to promote channel and not to give subs automatically as it's provided by YouTube. It is work as a collaboration system. You subscribe to channels you like and people who like the channel can subscribe it too. How many channel will you promote? The app promotes more than channels of people that help others channel of the app. It means the more you help other channel, more the app will promote your channel. There is no way to know because people are free to subscribe just the channel they want. Why is my channel losing subscriber? The app does not remove subscriber from your channel. That's not even possible. Unfortunately, some people subscribe to channels through the app but then unsubscribe either because they did not like the channel or really did not want to follow the channel content anymore. We cannot prevent this because they do not YouTube app or site. The app has integration with the YouTube system and automatically block when it identifies that someone did it.
Guys, ang akong ikatudlo ninyo, wa mo ilaing buhaton kundi i-download ang promoter channel. So, mag-subscribe lang po nila. Tanawa lang ninyo sa See ya!